Well, hey guys, I'm sorry it's been so long since I've posted a video with the hot tub thing. I've got some weird news. No, the hot tub's doing great. I've actually been sitting in it lately. But a lot of my videos and pictures and stuff that I took somehow got deleted. So I've been kind of scrounging, trying to find the pictures and stuff that I had during the process to get those uploaded. I'm still working on it. I really apologize. Had some stuff come up in the family too. So I'm really, for all of those who've been following all the parts prior to this, I think I've had 6 parts prior to this. I'm sorry. I do have a part almost ready to go that's going to detail the plumbing and the fixtures, and then I'll try to get it wrapped up. The second thing I wanted to say real quick is I didn't know how to do any of this prior to this project. And I just want to again reiterate, Gene Trumbull, he owns Custom Built Spas. And if you go to custombuiltspas.com, he has kind of a program where you can buy like I call it a book, but it's like an online book. And then he has a video series that kind of details, it gives all the actual details of a build like this. It's how I learned how to do it. I watched his video several times, and I read his online book several times, and he goes into intricate detail on each of the parts. He's also a parts supplier, so he is able to get you all these parts at cost. I don't work for him. I'm not affiliated with him in any way, shape, or form. For those of you who this is something that you want to do, I would not only recommend, but almost like really stress that you sign up for Gene. I don't remember how much it costs, but it's nominal compared to the amount of money that you could lose if you actually did something like this wrong. And again, I'm no pro. I am just following his instructions to the T from start to finish in this. So I don't want to come across as that I'm some kind of professional. I'm just following directions, a recipe, so to speak, that he's done. And he has 20 or 30 or some years as a custom pool and spa builder. So custombuiltspas.com, Gene Trumbull, you can tell him that I sent you, but it doesn't really matter. It's not like I get a discount or any benefits from it. So yeah. So again, for those of you who are following, I really appreciate all the comments, all the questions. Keep the questions coming. I'll answer whatever I can. If I don't know an answer to your question, I'll probably just refer you to Gene. He's been really good with me. If you sign up for his kind of the online access to all his stuff, he not only you get that material, but he is a resource to you. He probably won't be answering your questions unless you kind of sign up for his thing. I mean, he's got to make money. That's what he does as a profession. So yeah, absolutely. Custombuiltspas.com. Keep it in mind. Look forward to the next video. I'll get it up and running soon. I just have a little bit of editing to do to get it online. And we'll try to go all the way to the end. Like I said, for a few months now, I've been sitting in this hot tub enjoying it every single day, and I haven't regretted a single second, and there really is very little I would have changed if I had to go back and do it all again. So keep the comments coming, keep the likes coming, subscribe if you want, but I'll have new videos coming up soon. Thanks.